exacerbate certain aspects, and daylight, certain things. So they were really meant more as, in the tradition of the illuminated manuscript, but secular. So,
One book and then it grew?
No,
Or did you
all
always
10 at
envision
once.
all
No,
of that?
I had them all.
Wow.
So each book kind of has somewhat divided.
Is there a narrative projection from book to book? Like, do you suggest that we go around in a certain way?
Oh, I don't know. I can do them all.
No, I'm not asking you to. But
Well,
just,
I think what it is. It's actually, I was trying to respond to Silka's